Hi guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to reset your LG Magic Remote and fix any problem like the remote control not working or not responding with your LG TV, or you're having the problem where some buttons on your LG Magic Remote are not just working. In any of these cases, I'm going to be offering you two solutions that would definitely fix the problem for you. So for the first solution, what you want to do is to go ahead and open up the back battery cover of your LG Magic Remote. You can just pull this backward from the top over here to open it up, and then you want to remove both batteries just like so. Now after removing both batteries, the next thing you want to do is to proceed to long press on the power button for about 5 seconds. So just press and hold, and what this will do is that it will drain the LG Magic Remote of any power surge, and after the 5 seconds you can go ahead and insert your batteries back into your LG Magic Remote. At this point, you also want to make sure that your batteries are good. So if you have bad batteries, make sure you also change them, because it might actually be stopping the remote control from working. Then you can close up the battery pack like so, and then try to use your LG Magic Remote. So you can try turning on your LG TV with the power button. But if this solution does not work out for you, another thing you want to do is to basically just deregister your LG Magic Remote from your TV. And the way you do that is to just long press on the home button and the back button for about 5 seconds. Just press and hold for about 5 seconds, and on your TV you're immediately going to see that your LG Magic Remote has been deregistered. After the 5 seconds and you've seen the indication that it has been deregistered on your LG TV, what you want to do to now pair it back with your TV or register it back with your LG TV is to just press on this mouse scroll over here. Basically you're pressing on it and not scrolling with it, so just press on it and automatically it is going to register with your LG TV. Most likely you're also going to see this red light over here, and it is also going to show on your LG TV as well. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.